today I'm in Linköping Trädgårds for Ridingen. Trädgårds. This is a garden, as you can see. So I'm going here because I want to watch the traditional dance of Sweden to celebrate Midsummer. So I have never seen that, despite living here for 2 years. I have never seen that because I think last Midsummer I went back to the Philippines. Yeah, I want to join. You know, I like dancing. Yeah, but for now, this is the garden. Ayan. So, nandito na ako. Ang daming tao. As you can see, most are wearing white. So, I wore white as well. And there are flower wreaths on their heads. I'm complying to the tradition. And this is the Midsummer Stone. Yeah, so it's Midsummer Pool. So later we will dance around this one with silly dances about Prague. I thought this will be tall. This pole is, I mean, in the picture, Midsummer Stone is are usually tall, but this one is so small. Maybe this is for children.
Tack så mycket. Vi ska alldeles snart börja dansa. Vi spelar någon till låt. Klockan 11 börjar dansen.
Traditional Swedish costume now, traditional dress. I'm actually looking for that kind of dress. I want to wear something like that, but I can't find even in Amazon. I'm kind of excited. The song. I recognize a friend. Uy! Are you alone? Buti na lang may nakita kong friend, may mag-video sa akin kasi gusto ko sumali. Hello guys. Ayan. Naku, tinadhana talaga na magkita kami. Parang may taga-video ko. Wala kasi yung kasama. Ayan, kasama na. Pero ayan, everybody start moving. We're dancing together.
Go!
So, tapos na yung midsummer dance at nandito kami ngayon. Magpipiknik kami with my neighbors na Filipino rin. Ayan, may paki. May papiknik. Hello.
Franco, sandali na kayo. Yun na yung anak ko.
Celebratory cake.
Buti andito kayo dahil lang niya ng cake.
Kailangan na may ulit.
Sino binake ba yan? Binake. Sino nag-bake?
Anong tawag sa cake niya?
Ay, wow.
Strawberries and cream.
Strawberries and cream. Okay.
Wow.
Your
Paano?
ube o
Yod gube klaka.
klaka.
Kaka pala. Yod gube kaka.
Your ube kaka. Torta.
Oo, pwede. Torta yata yung mas appropriate eh.
Torta. Minsan, mas madalas ginagamit torta.
Torta, oo.
Kesa kaka.
Ayan. Filipino families. Ito may professional photographer kami.
Dito.
Franco, sandali, huwag mo galawin yan.
Ayan, ang dami nagpipiknik. Ikot-ikot tayo. So, ayan, oh, nakakatawa. May pa-river. Ang dami nagpipiknik. And it's time. Lunch time na. Magto-12.